to speak on. I represent Samsung Research Institute, India, and I hold the position of a director there. And I'm very happy to be here because I belong to Lucknow. And I got the opportunity to be present here in this occasion. As far as Samsung is concerned, I don't think it needs any introduction or any details. Many of you or everyone is familiar with the kind of products and technology that we are providing and you are using and you are used to it. I would like to directly jump on to the problems that are talked upon here and how the problems and solutions should be taken on and what Samsung is doing about all that in IT infrastructure, in case of education, in case of other verticals, in government, healthcare and all. So you might have heard about the products or you might have seen the products like mobile phone, TV, video walls, your information displays and many other products from Samsung. But when it comes to the solutions and platforms, it's not only the infotainment that Samsung is working on. What we majorly focus on now for the 2020, if you see our vision from Samsung CEO and the President, it's inspire the world and create the future. The most difficult thing in this world is to change people, the habits, the style, and the way they work. In the earlier session we heard, like in education, teachers, they resist change. It's not teachers only. Everyone, we are habitual of doing things in a certain way. So bringing the change, we need some innovations in that direction. So what are those innovations and what are the things that we have in our portfolio and we are providing to the society? Next. If you see what we are working on, we are collaborating with the R&D centers, R&D institutions in India and all across the world, putting MIT to IIT, all the R&D institutions on the same desk and trying to bring in the innovations and contents and quality in education and all other life aspects to the society. Pass on. So next, I will skip it. So this is lastly, this is the product portfolio that we already have. So in solutions portfolio, I will now hit the problems and what are the solutions here. So you have seen like bringing the change is very difficult in everyone's life. Now, we have our style of teaching in a way. We have a style of working in our offices in a particular way. We are used to the files. Maximum use of computerization is like we use Word, Excel and all those electronic documents to create contents. How to reach further and how make it so smooth. So in that transition, what we are doing is we are using artificial intelligence in which what you are thinking, how you speak, how you behave, everything should be converted and it should basically give you the solution in your own place. Like translation from voice to text. Not only that, from text to your design. Like you want to make a book or presentation or your manual in your office. How much time it takes to prepare the content and make the prints and distribution, lot of efforts. We have provided the solutions where we provide the open platforms along with our products. Using those platforms, we are not binding you to use our technology or solution in a particular way. Rather, you can do designs in your own way. What you need to put in is only the data. Rest of all, we are providing you in the form of templates. You use drag, drop, create and put across. Same way we are having education. So education difficulty is like a traditional way we are trying to teach the subject in a way where We are teaching in a class and we are considering that everyone is having the same level. But here we differentiate with our solutions like Magic IWB and all other solutions where we are gauging the student with the observational pattern how in a particular topic the teacher is teaching and how much the student is grasping. With that data analytics and capturing with the convergence of our solutions and product, we provide the back-end analysis with which you can even know in which particular subject, which particular topic the student is weak or excellent. So that way advisory can be generated. So we have a portfolio of solution in IT, ITES, education, healthcare, hospitality and BSFI. So we have some demonstrations outside. You can look to that and you can refer the website as well in that direction.